Hello friends, welcome to Nilufar Kitchen. Today I am going to cook football chicken. For football chicken, give give egg and corn flour and maida, dark soya sauce, vinegar, garlic, ginger paste, garlic paste and chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder and salt. Now grind it in the mixer grinder and take the chicken pieces like this. Now I have made the fine paste of chicken. This is the fine paste I have grinded in the mixer grinder. Give one cheese also grated. This is grated cheese I have given in the chicken and mix the chicken with the grated cheese and make a balls like this. Now make the bread cubes like this, small bread cubes, and coat the chicken with the bread cubes. Like this you make football chicken. Like this you make the football chicken. Now fry the football chicken. Heat oil in a kadai and fry the football chicken. Now fry all the football chicken. Now take out from the kadai. Now your football chicken is ready to eat and serve. Thank you for watching. Stay